In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video by email with HubSpot. It's a straightforward process that can really enhance the way you communicate with clients, colleagues, or prospects by making your emails more engaging and dynamic. Let's dive in and break down the steps to seamlessly integrate a video into your HubSpot email campaign. First things first, you need to have your video uploaded to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. These platforms are perfect for hosting and sharing videos online because they provide you with a convenient shareable link. Go to the video you've uploaded and locate the shareable link, often found under the sharing options. Copy this link, as it will be the key piece we'll use to insert the video into your HubSpot email. Now, with your video link in hand, it's time to move to HubSpot. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. If not, signing up is easy and doesn't take much time, so get that set up if necessary. After you're logged in, you'll want to navigate through HubSpot's intuitive dashboard. Head over to the marketing section and then click on Email. Here, you have the choice to either select an existing draft or create a new email. If you're starting a new campaign, just hit the Create button and pick the template that suits your needs. Once you have your email template open, look for the option to add modules. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor makes this really user-friendly. Find the video module among the selections. It should be quite visible. Click on it, then drag and drop this module into the body of your email wherever you think the video will have the most impact. Ideally, videos work great as eye-catchers near the top of your email, so position it to grab the reader's attention early on. Next, paste that video link you copied earlier into the appropriate field within the video module. This is how you'll embed the video within your email, providing your recipients with instant access once they receive your message. Before finalizing everything, it's a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This step ensures that the video link works properly and displays exactly how you want it to in the recipient's inbox. You don't want any surprises after you've hit send, so take a moment to review the test email. Once you've confirmed everything looks good and the video link functions as expected, you're ready to go. Go ahead and schedule your email to send at the optimal time or send it immediately, depending on your strategy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively send a video by email using HubSpot, adding a personal touch and enhancing your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials just like this one.